Hey guys, welcome to Learn and Enjoy Kitchen. I'm Azadeh and today we're gonna make a delicious stew with okra. But before we start, subscribe our channel and hit the bell to get informed of our latest videos as soon as they are uploaded. The ingredients: okra 200 grams, meat 250 grams, rice 2 cups, tomato paste 2 tablespoons, pomegranate paste 1 tablespoon, 1 onion, 1 potato, 2 cloves of garlic, salt and black pepper, turmeric and lime powder. First, peel the onion and chop it finely. Then put a pot on the stove, add some oil and chopped onion to it. Sauté on medium heat till the color of onion changes. Now peel and chop 2 cloves of garlic finely. Stir the onion from time to time. When the color of the onion changes, add pieces of meat. You can use beef, mutton, or chicken in this stew, whatever you like. Stir and sauté till the color of meat changes. Now add chopped garlics and spices to the meat and mix them well. Add about 1 jar of water to the meat. Put the lid and let it boil on high heat. Then turn down the heat and let the meat cook well. You can serve this stew with rice. To cook rice, wash 2 cups of rice with cold water and then add water to it so that it covers the rice for about ½ inch. Add some oil and salt, put the lid and let it cook. Meanwhile, peel the potato, cut it into small cubes. When meat is cooked, add potato pieces to it. Now, add tomato paste and mix well. Then, put the lid and wait till potatoes are half cooked. Put a pan on the stove and add some oil to it. Add the okra to the pan and sauté on medium heat till its color changes. After a short while, add some salt to okra and stir constantly. It's ready. Potatoes are half cooked. You can add pomegranate paste and okra to the stew, mix and let the stew cook for another half hour. The rice is also ready. Bon appetit! Dear friends, this is today's delicious okra stew. I hope you cook it and enjoy it. Don't forget to follow us on other social networks and recommend our channel to your friends. Till another recipe, goodbye.